Another day, another English lesson.
ly adjectives. In plus adjective plus way. In English, many words that end in ly are adverbs, like quickly, happily, slowly. Examples: she walked quickly. He smiled happily. But some ly words are actually adjectives, not adverbs. These adjectives are very awkward when we try to change them into adverbs. For example, you may find their ly forms in the dictionary, but they are almost never used. Examples: friendly, friendlily, lovely, lovelily, silly, sillily, ugly, uglily. So, what do? Use the structure in and plus adjective plus way. We use this when the adverb form of an adjective is very awkward or doesn't exist. For example, he laughed in a silly way. It sounds natural. Not he laughed sillily. It sounds strange. She smiled in a lovely way. It sounds natural. Not she smiled lovelily. You can find this word in the dictionary, but it sounds strange. Simple rule: don't add ly to ly adjectives. Instead, use in and plus adjective plus way to describe the action. This avoids awkward forms like friendlily or sillily. Native speakers often use this structure in everyday English.
Now change the sentences using in and plus adjective plus way to avoid the awkward adverbs. One, the children danced in a silly way when the teacher left. Two, the realtor greeted the client in a friendly way. Three, she smiled in a lovely way when she saw the flowers. Four, he sat alone on the bench in a lonely way. Five, the boy worked his job in a manly way. Six, the crab walked in an ugly way across the sand. Seven, the dog played in a lively way with its balloon. Eight, she smiled and spoke to the child in a motherly way. Nine, the man ran away in a cowardly way. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.